akala nyo'y naglalaro ang mga estudyanteng ito? Abay, teka lang at huwag maging judgmental. Ang mga gamit kasi nilang VR o virtual reality imbis na online games, practical exercises ang ipinapakita para raw sa makabagong hamon sa hospitality management. Ika nga, immersive learning. Sagot raw ito sa mapanghamong takbo ng edukasyon sa bansa.
It's high time that we have to elevate this so that we will be able to incorporate the competencies that we really wanted by meeting or providing these competencies in a fun learning environment that is really suited to the needs of the current generation. Artificial intelligence or virtual playrooms such as this wouldn't actually do away the human touch, but it's amplifying the human potential of our industry.
It is nice that we are using this technology. As we know, virtual reality is being used in gaming. And right now, since we are using it in education and training, mas mabilis nakaka-adapt yung mga students. This is their generation. This is what they do. This is what they're good at.
Smarter, efficient at competitive. Ito raw ang pangako ng instrumentong ito na handang tulungan ng mga estudyante na suungin ang new frontier ng hospitality management kung saan 3 modules nga ang kanilang sasagutan para masukat ang kanilang kakayanan. Sa virtual world, sasalubong sa iyo ang iba't ibang mga avatars. Ang mga ito, iba-iba rin ang pangangailangan. Para kang nasa 5-star hotel setting kung saan kakausapin at aasikasuhin mo mismo ang mga customers virtually. Traditional practice meets the virtual one. Iba't iba din ang module na maaring matutunan. Depende sa skills and competencies na kailangan.
To talk to Yumi, press and hold the A button. Then you can start talking. You will know kung naririnig kayo ni Yumi kapag may nakita kayong mic sa on top of Yumi, doon sa head niya. Ibig sabihin, she can hear you. When you see 3 dots, it means nag-iisip si Yumi ng sasagot sa iyo.
Isa sa mga sumubok sa virtual playroom, si Sir AJ, safety officer ng universidad. Kaya kanyang napili, Risk Management Module.
Mas mamulat po kami at kung ano yung talagang actual na nangyayari sa mismong incident or ano po yung emergency na nangyayari sa community namin or sa school namin. Kaya ito po is very helpful, essential, and talagang mas makaka-focus kami kung ano yung dapat gawin namin sa mga incident or emergencies na pwedeng mangyari dito sa university.
How would we teach our students in disaster management? Because we cannot simulate earthquake, we cannot simulate fire. So through these VR platforms, we could actually let them have the feel of being in a fire scene, of being in an earthquake scenario, and how are you going to help yourself? You can do learning in your own time, or you can also do learning in your own mode, okay, that suits the learning modality of the student.
Ang naturang virtual playroom ang kauna-unahang inilunsad sa Northern Luzon at ikatlo sa buong Pilipinas. Hangad ng universidad na bukod sa aral sa 4 na sulok ng paaralan ay handa rin ang mga ito sa mapanghamong teknolohiya. Jose Robert Inventor, RNG News.